Welcome to video 1, what to expect in this course by Urban Forex. Alright guys, so welcome to the first video of this week. One of the main things I wanted to focus on to give you guys a heads up, sort of like an overview or an objective if you were to put it. If I can give you a direction on what you're looking for, what you're looking at, then you can have a better idea on why you're learning what you're learning. Okay, so this is basically, this video is to give you an overview of what kind of training I'm going to be putting you through. Now, going through the MPA 2.0 that you've done the course just before this, is you've gone a lot through when a power activates, right? Which means the big boy is here, right? So for example, in this particular case, let's say this was the low of London, and New York comes in and takes it all the way down, and you're like, okay, great, I can do my next pullback sells in there, right? Whatever it may be. But that basically says I will take whatever is ongoing and I will join it. So what we're doing in this course is, instead of waiting for whatever is ongoing, when situations like this happen, so for example, this is the low of New York of the previous day on my time, then Asia opens up from this dotted line. This is the dotted line. Asia opens up there, and London opens up here. Now notice from Asia, all the way to London, nothing really happened. It was dead, right? So what do we do in these situations, and can we predict to a fairly decent accuracy to sell before the sell actually happens, and then we get in on the cheese trade? Because what happens is, if you are able to sell ahead of time, then the cheese trade is no longer a new trade for you. It is a trade where you add positions, actually. It is a place where you can multiply your money to get even bigger. It is a place for you to understand how much you need to scale out or scale in. So the doors open up 10x just by knowing this information. Okay? So having that said, let's now move on to the next video.